I'm calling these episodes Now That It's Decluttered because I have so many areas of the house that have not been touched in years. And this specifically has not been touched in like 5 years. I hate saying that, but this has not been dusted in like 5 years. I grew cucumbers up here. It's been that long. And yeah, those cucumbers are long gone now.
Some days are tough, but we rise above. Sun's coming up, windows open wide. Turn that music on, let the good times ride. Got a lot on my plate, but I'm feeling alright. Cause God's been faithful every day, every night. I may get lost in the thoughts of my mind, but he pulls me back in right on time. Shake off the worry, let the rhythm play. This house and his heart gonna shine today. Sweep it up, wipe it down, spin around.
Hey, be careful whatever you're doing.
Stop it. Every little step feels like a win.
Oh.
Hands to the ceiling, feet on the floor. Thankful for the mess and the life it's for. I may have a lot, yeah, the load feels long, but God's faithfulness stays steady and strong. So I hum a tune, keep moving along, turning hard days into a happy song. Some days are tough, yeah, that's true enough, but we rise above, and that's more than enough.
Try Ben.
Things are looking up, windows letting in the light. Dust is finally settling after all those busy nights. Every little corner tells a story of the grind. From clutter chaos to a calm I fought to find. One bag at a time, one drawer, one shelf, a little more space, a little more myself. Things are looking clean, like a fresh start magazine. Not much more left to do, the breathing, the view. Hard work behind me, clear floors beneath my feet. I earned this quiet moment. Now I sit in the peace. Counters shining back like they're proud of me. Closets closing easy, nothing hiding secretly. What felt so overwhelming, yes,